Hey friends, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set Netflix quality to 4K on PC. As you can see, I'm on my PC here and I'm currently on netflix.com and I'm signed in. So you want to ensure that you sign in as well. Now, once you sign in, click or hover over your account on the upper right and you can either click an account or manage profile. I'm going to just choose manage profile. Under this section here, guys, you want to go ahead and choose the profile that you wish to set this under. So I'm going to choose the first option right here. Now, from here, scroll down, you'll find a preferences section, and you should find a playback settings. So you click on that. Under the playback settings, you have a section here called data usage per screen. The data usage per screen is where you'll be able to find the settings for whichever quality that you want. And if I scroll down, you will find an option in the list that says high. So you have from auto, which is the default one. Low, this is for 720p. Medium is for 1080p, the standard setup. And you have high, which runs into 4K or Ultra HD. So this is what you'll be able to select this option here to watch in Ultra HD. Now, the next thing that I want to mention to you is that you need to ensure that you have the correct plan to be able to watch in 4K. And so you want to go ahead and go back to where you'll be able to check your plans, and you'll see on the left hand side the option called membership. You click in that, you will see your current plan. In my case, I currently have the basic plan, which allows 720p. So in order for me to watch 4K, whether on my computer, as you can see on the PC, or if I even want to watch it on mobile or even on my TV, I would need to click on change plan and upgrade it to the premium plan. The premium plan is what you'll be able to upgrade to that supports 4K, HDR, or Ultra HD. And so you will select the plan, basically click continue, proceed with upgrading. And with all of these steps, you'll be able to set Netflix quality to 4K on your PC. And that's pretty much it. Very easy and very simple.